Right, just giving a quick update on my current progress of the game. It's the first thing I have to start working on. This is door opening at the beginning of the game. I have to set the offset when the game initiates, just a little thing I have to tweak, but I want to show the progress. So my game will focus on puzzles and logical elements more than visuals, like last semester. I'll still have some reflex parts when player has to avoid traps to not die at the end of the game. But first three puzzles are based on logic. So first puzzle will do something. A player has to find something outside the room to unlock the door. Staring at the brightest point, which is obviously this, but not really. Second puzzle is, I think, is the design I'm most proud of. It's a dominance puzzle, that's how I called it. Basically, player has to find a combination to trigger all three panels at the same time. So the flow of the cables goes this way, and at branches, panels attack each other, and the dominant will win and proceed to the next node. So spy is weaker than peasant, as we see on the board. We see the peasant counters spy at this point. Queen counters everything but spy. That's it. And last third thing I've been working on recently is a memory puzzle. So basically, player has to unlock the door, this one, by checking out what's inside the room. Rest of the combination won't do anything at this point. When player enters the little room, they've got combination to remember: up, 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 down, left, up, up, up. This is every time generated randomly. So every time there will be another combination remembered by the puzzle manager, which is this little thingy. And then basically player might start entering the combination. Doesn't matter if it's wrong or right. First one was up, so let's click down. And now player cannot enter the room. So if they enter the combination wrong, this will show it's not correct. And when we enter the room to remember to remind ourselves the combination, this will change again. How the tables turn. And let's say we want to restart the combination and open a door. So we're about halfway. This will then change again. So what's behind the final door? Let's check this out. So the spoiler for this puzzle, stare at the brightest point. This is the mechanics I did, which basically reads player's camera manager, and if the angle corresponds to the looking direction, if player is in this particular room, so he cannot be outside here or looking from another chamber, this won't work. The door will open, and in rooms I'll put some tutorial tables which will basically lead player to the final room, which will be here. This will be player end point. There will be a combination, a code to enter, and player will be given 7 tips, 7 little parts, how to crack the code and then open the final door. I already have idea how to make player enter the code using keyboard and then display this in a neat way. And the code also worth mentioning is designed by me. I was thinking for hours how to make 7 little, you know, uh, 7 little tutorials to lead player to the final code. Not quite easy, but yeah, this is my progress at the moment. I'm thinking maybe it's too much. Game might be too long, but I'm hoping I can present my final product in few minutes video, just briefly talking about the puzzles, mechanics, the problems, and etc. So yeah, that's it for now.